I made 8 million naira as a Nigerian student from a business model that I'm going to be telling you about in today's video. So, if you are a Nigerian student, probably in your uni, if you are a 9 to 5 worker who needs something extra to be doing, and you need it to be a business. If you are a stay-at-home mom, make sure to stay on this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same thing and also replicate what I have done. If you are new to our channel, I am Augusta the First Entrepreneur, also called Augusta Osaro because that's my legal name. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to 5% that you loved and you do not want them to miss this video. So let's get right to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make 8 million naira as a Nigerian student. I'm going to be teaching you the full framework that you're going to be using, and I'm also going to be telling you how you can do it step by step. Now, this business model is called selling a digital product. Digital products are online courses, ebooks, software files, or templates that you sell to people from the comfort of your home. So you do not have to take this product to a market to sell to them. You can do it from the space of your house. You can do it while you're sleeping, and you do not need to trade your time for money. So whether you're online or you are not online, systems are already created for you to be able to sell this product and for it to get to the right persons and your customers. A few years ago, I started as an affiliate marketer. I usually take people's product and then I sell it to other people, but these products were not my product. And after a year or two, I had to upskill into selling digital products. Now, digital products are not just ebooks. So when people hear digital products, they feel that they are just ebooks, books that you can read online. No, that is very wrong. Digital products are ebooks. They are also courses, which are videos like this that I'm currently filming and that you are watching from the space of your homes. They are also coaching where you have to book a one-on-one service or online class with somebody to teach the person. There are communities as well, so doesn't really have to be something like a book. It could be a video course, it could be a one-on-one session. Whatever it is your digital product. So now I'm going to be showing you the steps for you to create a digital product. So if that sounds like something you would actually love to do from the space of your home without you not going anywhere, you're not going outside to go and borrow anything, even if you do not have a tripod or you do not have a mic like this, you can still do it with just your phone, at least for a start. So now I'm going to be showing you and taking you through the process of how you can do this step by step. And I came ready, trust me. You know what we do here. You know that we do not get keep here. We give you everything that you need for your growth. And I'm here to show you. So I actually brought my board here with me. So this is my board. And the first step is to for you to figure out your niche. Well, if you cannot actually see this, I'm going to snap it and put it. The first step is for you to figure out your niche. Now, you must know your one avatar. You must know the one person that you are talking about or you want to speak to. For instance, if I am in the let's say I'm in the food niche, I'm actually speaking to people who are above age 40 that needs to know the kind of diet that they should be taking. They need to know the kind of food that would be good for their system. So even though I have a restaurant, I know how to cook very well, but my avatar, my one client are people who are having issues, let's say with diabetes. So they want to know the kind of food that they should be eating or what contains sugar and what doesn't contain sugar. And I'm a cook. So that is actually a very good niche for me. And trust me, you can do this without showing your face. That's 100% real. You can do it without showing your face like I'm doing currently. I'm showing my face, but if you don't want to show your face, it's very fine. You can run a full faceless channel even without always creating a video. You can still run a full faceless page or channel or content or whatever it is. Now, step two is start posting educational content on YouTube or on TikTok. So, depending on whichever social media platform you want to use, YouTube is not a social media platform. YouTube is a search engine. After Google, YouTube is next because it has millions of channels. You can actually check. There are a lot of channels, and people are doing super well. So, if you want to use YouTube, it's fine. But I think when you are doing YouTube, you should mainly focus on long form content that are above 5 minutes, 8 minutes, and all of that. But if you want to go for short form content, I think TikTok is one of the places where you can do short form content and get lots of traction for a start. Now, the third step is to create a freebie on Canva. And one thing you must know is that when you start creating freebie, you must keep it simple. I have a lot of freebies I post on my YouTube channel, and I guess you might have clicked on any of them and gotten them for free. They are zero naira, you do not pay for them, it's free. I've made sure to put my time to create them, and I give it out for free in exchange for your email, so I can probably sell you something. And even if you don't buy, it's fine. I can still add you to my community. So you should create a freebie and keep it simple. Now you can create this freebie using Claude and Canva and also ChatGPT. So you can use these three to create it. You can, if you do not want to do anything Claude or ChatGPT, you can simply put your thoughts on a Google Docs file, turn it into a PDF, and there you have your freebie ebook. Now, the third step is to survey your list. So, whenever you have a freebie, you must make sure that there is already a process where you can get their email in exchange for your ebook. So, if somebody, let's say I'm a customer and I want to get a free book from someone, I have to register and put in my email and my phone number and blah blah blah. So I'm exchanging my details for that free ebook so that the person can also reach out to me as time goes on. So that is what you should do. So then you have to survey that list. The list you have, the emails you have, you can survey it by sending them frequent emails, asking them questions and all of that. So the last step, which is the fifth step, is pre-sale your course or ebook. So you do not need to create a full course, I mean a premium course. You do not need to create a full premium course or an ebook first. You can pre-sale it. You can send people emails or add them to a group, give a webinar, run a webinar, or run just like a free talk on what you are selling, on how it can help them. Give them some little spice of how they can do it, but tell them that okay, they cannot. You will definitely not finish everything, and then you can pre-sale your course to them, even when you have not created it. And if you have up to like 5 to 10 people who buys on your first pre-sale, trust me, go ahead to create that digital product. And like Aston CEO always taught us, he on his YouTube channel he said something, and this is what I'm gonna be giving to you right now. This framework, the framework is, first of all, choose your ideal client. Now, when you choose your ideal client, you know your niche, you know your avatar. The next thing you have to do is to start creating free content for them on YouTube, on TikTok. But personally, I'm only doing more of YouTube right now. I'm going fully into YouTube. Now, the next thing after creating free content for them is that the algorithm starts to categorize you. It starts to show more people your video. It starts to bring more people to your video, and after that you get traffic. So more people are coming, more people are knowing about you, and they are knowing what you are currently doing. And when you've been able to build a community as sustainable as that, you can now sell your digital product, you can make money from it. Then after you start making money, it becomes a transformation. So you're not just selling information, you're selling transformation to people. And when you start selling transformation to people, you start giving them value and and they see the need why you are the best in the market. Those people become your ambassadors. So you do not have to start paying influencers for them to influence about your product. People that buy from you start to become your influencers, they start to become your ambassadors, and they bring much more people to buy your digital product. And that is how to do this business model. Well, if you want to know how you can do this with AI smoothly and as soon as possible, do well to check this video in this place, and to give you the step-by-step process on how you can do this with Claude and Canva. So if you want the full course on how to do this step by step, you can get our AI income playbook worth just 5,000 naira. It is a very low amount that we literally put it in, but very soon to be moving to 10,000 naira. So make sure to get it by clicking on the description on this video and getting access to the link, and you get access to my DM and a lot other of more things. And also, if you already know how to create a digital product but you do not know how to sell that product, click on the description and get our Sell on Command ebook right now. You get access to me, you get access to everyday coaching, you also get access to much more tools like ad calls that you can use to sell. Make sure to get these things and start. Don't forget to start. Always implement everything that you have watched, whether here or other YouTube channels. Always make sure to implement. Do not forget, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. See you in the next video.